Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I am drawing the yummy ice cream truck with letter I. Let's draw and paint together. First, draw letter I. Let's turn it to the ice cream truck now. The colorful ice cream truck is my favorite, hearing the cheerful tune in the distance on a warm sunny day. That's the sound of the yummy ice cream truck coming your way. The bright and colorful truck is like a rolling treasure filled with a lot of yummy ice creams. You can choose from chocolate cones, rainbow swirl popsicles, strawberry ice cream, and many more. My favorite ice cream is chocolate ice cream. What's your favorite ice cream? You can comment below. Ice creams are my favorite. Hey, but remember, you're not supposed to eat more than one ice cream. Oh wow! Look at the huge ice cream on the ice cream truck. So yummy and delicious. Please try to draw with me. Let's paint together now. The yummy ice cream truck has something for everyone. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next video.